I decided to do a video on the crankcase position sensor, and here's my old crankcase position sensor. I went through a horrifying experience putting this part on. What started out to be just a quick little, I watched some videos on how to take out the crankcase sensor and all this stuff, and I thought it'd be a pretty easy job, not a big deal. My truck was giving me problems and wouldn't start and things like that. So I attempted to do the job. I ordered the part, did all the right things up to that point, and as soon as I got ready to put the crankcase position sensor in, well, actually it came out pretty easy, no problem. But as soon as I put it back in, or attempted to put it back in, I didn't realize that on the top of this transmission has a huge hole in the transmission down at the bottom. And I'm gonna get my light and show you. I apologize, it's gotten kind of, but down here, if you look, you see the crankcase position sensor. It's supposed to be up there. Well, back here, I'm trying to get a good shot at it. Okay, here's a better shot. If you look, well, you probably won't really be able to see it, but trust me and believe me, there's the new crankcase position sensor right there. It's missing a screw, because what happened was, right past, if it was a little bit more light outside, you'd be able to see that there's a hole in the transmission, in the housing. And when I went to put that thing in, I heard like a coin going in a slot machine, and the screw fell into the transmission, and I didn't know what to do. I went online and they told me that basically, you could take the starter out and fish the screw out. That didn't work. They also said that you can take off this little cover on the transmission, this little cover, and that exposed the flywheel. That didn't work. So now I got an eerie sound every time that I start the vehicle up. It sounds like it's gonna blow up. Matter of fact, let me show you. And the reason I'm making this video is so that you'll be aware that I would have rather took it to a shop and spent, $50 an hour for an hour's worth of work and a part, less than $100 altogether, than to have. I don't know what to do with this truck anymore. Let me show you what happened. I'm gonna get in, start the truck, and let you hear it for yourself. Okay? And I still have some of the same problems, but I figured I would replace that part and see what would happen. But see what happens. Listen to that. I got a check engine light. I'm not blaming it on that, but I am blaming it on the fact that I'll never get rid of this noise. That bolt. That's that bolt on the transmission.